Looking for a more affordable and even better clear case for your iPhone? Let's check out these from Mkeke today. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's unbox and check out these Mkeke clear case for my iPhone 14 Pro Max and compare them to Apple's official clear case. These cases are much more affordable at around $15–20 and I think even better in some ways. Let's check out the MagSafe clear case first. It comes in a shrink wrap white box. There's a pull string to open up the shrink wrap. This particular one is for my iPhone 14 Pro Max. Mkeke has been making iPhone cases for many years, and they're available for other iPhone models as well. Inside the box, there's a colorful heart-shaped card wishing us a sparkling day. Nice touch. The case comes inside a matted white plastic bag. On the bottom, there's a card with QR codes to various Mkeke company sites. Here's Mkeke's MagSafe clear case next to the official Apple clear case. From far away, they look about the same. They're both clear all the way around, with the white MagSafe magnetic ring in the back. Both have tall enough raised edges around the camera bump in the back and also around the display in the front for protection. If you saw my review of the official Apple clear case with the other official cases, you know there are a couple of things I wish the Apple case is better at. I'll link that video here and in the description below. First is the lack of protection on the bottom of the phone. Apple's clear case left out the bottom edge for some reason. The Mkeke case offers protection on the bottom of the phone. It even adds air bumps on all four corners for added protection against drops. Let's put the case on and see how it fits. The fit is nice and tight. The cutouts for the buttons, the lightning port, and speakers are all accurate. The other improvement this case has over Apple's case for me is grip. The plastic material on Mkeke's clear case is not as hard and slippery as Apple's clear case. Also, the sides of the case are not flat. It's curved a bit with a thicker center. Both features make the case easier and less slippery to grab and hold. And there's one other big improvement, the price. The Mkeke's MagSafe clear case is only about $15, which is less than a third of the price of Apple's official clear case. There are additional discounts from time to time in the link I'll put in the description below too. The tactile feel of the buttons with the case is a bit softer than my liking. I prefer my buttons to click a bit more. Not a protection nor functional issue at all though. Now, if you also don't like the MagSafe ring breaking up the beautiful clear view of the iPhone's back, like me, Mkeke also make clear cases without the ring. This clear case is the same and has all the same features as the MagSafe one, except for the ring. And if you prefer something a bit different, there's this one with black sides and black edges around the camera bump in the back. The black is translucent, not completely black out. Here's how it looks on my deep purple iPhone 14 Pro Max. I like this combo quite a bit, very elegant. Mkeke also makes ones with a darker color edge on the bottom that fades into a clear edge on the top. And there's this one that's dark blue on both the bottom edge and the back, then fades to clear on the top. Now, for something even more different and much more colorful, Mkeke has the same cases with different mixed colors. This one is red or dark pink on the bottom edge and green on the top edge, just in time for Christmas. And there's this one with a purple edge on the bottom transitioning into a blue edge on the top. How about this last one that's all purple on the bottom, including the back, transitioning into red on the top? Here's how it looks on my deep purple iPhone. Very colorful indeed. I think this one may go better with a silver iPhone. I'll probably stick with one of the simpler color options. In any case, these cases are reliable and well made. There are many colors to choose from. And they range from only $15 to $20 with additional discounts from time to time in the links I'll put in the description below. If you're looking for an affordable and even better iPhone clear case, MagSafe or not, check these out. What are your favorite clear cases, or do you even like clear cases? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, check out this video next. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment. Shout out to Mkeke for sending these out for me to share with you.